Tamilnadu Sathunavu Thurai Recruitment 2025. Organization: Tamilnadu Sathunavu Thurai Department. Job category: Tamilnadu Government Jobs. Employment type: regular, permanent. Post name: cooking assistant. Total vacancies: 64 posts. Job location: Erode district. Eligibility area: candidates from all over Tamil Nadu. Educational qualification: minimum 10th pass. Maximum any degree, as per notification norms. Age limit: as per Tamil Nadu government rules. Age relaxation applicable for SC, ST, BC, MBC candidates. Salary: salary will be paid as per Tamil Nadu Govt Sathunavu Thurai norms. Selection process: based on merit, interview, as decided by the department, no written exam mentioned. Important dates: application start date, the 16th of December 2025. Last date to apply, the 1st of September 2026. How to apply: application must be submitted offline. Candidates should apply through the official notification format. Submit application to the concerned Sathunavu Thurai office, Erode district. How to apply: Tamilnadu Sathunavu Thurai Recruitment 2025. Step 1. Get the application form. Visit the concerned Sathunavu Thurai Noon Meal Scheme office in Erode district. Or download the application form from the official district notification, if provided. Step 2. Fill the application form. Fill the form clearly using blue or black pen. Name, as per SSLC, father, husband name. Date of birth, educational qualification, community, caste, address and mobile number. Post applied for: cooking assistant. Step 3. Attach required documents. Attach self-attested photocopies of SSLC, 10th certificate, community certificate, Aadhaar card, ration card, if required, residence certificate, passport size photographs, any other certificate mentioned in the notification. Step 4. Submit the application. Submit the completed application offline. Hand over or send by post to the concerned Noon Meal Scheme, Sathunavu Thurai office, Erode district. Submit before the 1st of September 2026. Warning: late applications will not be accepted. Step 5. Selection process. Candidates will be shortlisted based on merit, interview. Selected candidates will be informed by the department.